Welcome to our home. Today, we're going to meet some helpful tools you can find around the house. They may look simple, but each one has an important job. Let's take a look. Washing machine. This is a washing machine. It helps us wash our dirty clothes. You put in your laundry, add some soap, press a few buttons, and ta-da! Clean clothes are ready. Plunger. This funny-looking tool is called a plunger. It's used in the bathroom to unclog toilets or drains when water gets stuck. Push and pull, it creates pressure to clear the blockage. Gloves. These are cleaning gloves. We wear them to protect our hands when we wash dishes, clean the bathroom, or touch something messy. Safe and clean. Spray bottle. This is a spray bottle. We fill it with water or cleaning liquid. Just press the top and it sprays, great for windows, plants, and even hair. Iron. An iron makes our clothes look neat and smooth. It heats up, and when you glide it over wrinkly clothes, bye-bye wrinkles. Tap. A tap gives us water, cold or hot. We use it in the kitchen and bathroom to wash our hands, brush our teeth, or fill up a glass of water. Window. Windows let the sunlight in and keep the wind out. You can open them for fresh air and close them when it's cold. Dustbin. This is a dustbin, or trash can. We throw garbage inside to keep our house clean and tidy. Don't forget to empty it. Apron. An apron protects our clothes when we cook or clean. It goes around your neck and ties at the back. Stylish and useful. Sofa. The sofa is a comfy seat where we can sit, rest, or watch TV. Some people call it a couch. Soft cushions make it cozy. Sponge. This is a sponge. It's soft and squishy and used to clean dishes or wipe surfaces. Add some soap and scrub away the dirt. Toilet bowl. This is a toilet bowl. We use it when we go to the bathroom. After we're done, we flush it clean. Always remember to wash your hands. Bathtub. A bathtub is where you can sit and enjoy a relaxing bath. Fill it with warm water, add bubbles, and splash around. Broom. This is a broom. It sweeps away dust, dirt, and crumbs from the floor. Pair it with a dustpan, and cleaning becomes easy. Window wiper. A window wiper has a rubber blade. It wipes water off windows and glass, leaving them shiny and streak-free. Vacuum cleaner. And this is a vacuum cleaner. It sucks up dust and dirt from carpets and floors. It's fast, easy, and even fun to use. Wow! So many helpful things at home. Each tool has its own job and makes life easier. Which one do you use the most? Thanks for learning with us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun learning videos. See you next time.